All right. So I think the last of the quadratic sorts we're gonna go through is Boone sort, which was invented in class, and I think we would call it a variant of insertion sort. I think I would say Boone's probably the ultimate authority on what constitutes Boone sort. I will give you my interpretation of Boone sort as it sort of relates to insertion sort. So we have some data 50, 30, 60, 40, 20. And for most of our sorts, we've been saying over here is the sorted data, and over here on the right is the unsorted data. Boone sort says we'll put the sorted data on the right and we'll put the unsorted on the left. And so the way that Boone sort accomplishes this, my understanding is correct, is, let's erase this, is it's going to start with 50 and it's going to compare 50 to the back. And because 50 is greater than 20, we can sort of push all of the elements down. So, well, we're going to need to swap 50. So 50 swaps with 30. And then 50 swaps with 60. And our goal is to swap 50 with 20, but we're sort of pushing all the elements back, 40, 20, and then 50. And at this point, 50 is sorted. And so we can take the first element again, and you can sort of insert it into this list up front here. So starting from the back, 30 is less than 50, so we'll put it right after 50. Or I guess I should also say it's less than 50 and it's more than 20. So we'll put it after that 50. So we got to push everything over 20, 30, 50 like that. And now we have 60. And so we see that it is going to be greater than that last element. So we will put it in the rightmost position. So 40, 20, 30, 50, 60. Now we have 40. Compare that to 60. And 40 is less than 60, so we move over to the next element. It's less than 50, so we move over to the next element. Greater than 30, so we're going to put it right there. So we're going to push over 20 and 30, insert 40, 50, 60. And there we go. Now we have 20. And this is the last element. There's only one element left. So compare it with 60, compare it with 50, 40, 30 is less than all of them. So it's going to go in the place where it is. And now we're sorted. And in regards to like the quadratic sorting assignment, implementing Boone sort is going to be extra credit. And the reason for that is just because of the AP exam. There's certain sorts that I have to teach you and I have to say focus on. So that is selection and insertion sort. But I think that the fact that we invented a sort that did not exist before is honestly kind of a high point, a highlight of the class that we've been doing. Like, I mean, I think it shows that y'all are capable of much more than just like learning things. Y'all are capable of creating new ideas and new concepts and building on the work of others. And I think, this Boone sword is a perfect example of that. So good job, Boone. And good job everyone for inventing swords. Like, I don't know, I think inventing things is cool. Anyways, good luck.